Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here the S8 Ultra smartwatch, and we have here the S9 Ultra smartwatch. So we are going to have a comparison review of these two wearables, the design, as well as the menus available in these two smartwatches. So if you have any questions regarding the comparison review, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start. So here, okay, on our left side we have the S8 Ultra smartwatch, and on our right side we have the premium looking S9 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so when it comes to the design, as you can see here, there's a very big improvement on the design for the S9 Ultra over the S8 Ultra. Okay, although the price, okay, is almost the same. Okay, they almost have the same price. Okay, although maybe the S9 is much higher, a little bit higher, but not that much. Okay, but when it comes to looks, as you can see here, there's a very big difference. So the S8 Ultra do have a 45mm body frame, a much smaller body frame, while the S9 Ultra do have a 49mm body frame. Okay, a 1:1 ratio with the original. And as you can see here, very obvious. Okay, on the side, the S9 Ultra do have a much thicker, okay, bigger body frame, including the buttons here. Okay, on the other side, okay, and at the back there's a very big difference. Okay, so we have here a fake screw. There's no watch lock or watch strap lock, while here for the S9 Ultra it's already available here. Okay, it works, and we have a real screw looking like the original smartwatch. Okay, so when it comes here to the menus, I think it is much better when it comes to S9. It has a much higher resolution, but when it comes to UI, let's see. Okay, scrolling from top to the bottom, we have the quick settings. How about here? We have the notifications. On the bottom part, we have the menus. About here, on the bottom part, we have the quick settings. Okay, on the left and right side, okay, you can cycle or switch through the different watch faces. How about here? Okay, we have a split screen. Okay, so you can also change the watch faces here. Okay, but it supports split screen. About here. Okay, no split screen support. Okay, for the different menus here on the bottom part, you can access it, while on our S9 you have to press. Okay, so the same looks here. They almost have the same UI. Phone book, contacts. You do have here the heart rate. Okay, so the features are almost the same. We do have a Bluetooth camera. So this is rotary. Okay, it has a function about here. Okay, it also works. Okay, so there's a Bluetooth call, and seems like the S8 Ultra do have a additional functions here on menus. Okay, settings, let's see on the settings. Let's check settings more. Here, settings. So we have brightness, hand light, screen time, style, find phone. So for the S9 Ultra, I think it is limited. It has only few menus here, okay, compared to the S8. But when it comes to looks, there's an upgrade for the S9 Ultra. Let's see for the heart rate monitoring. Let's check. Okay, so we have here the heart rate. Do we have the same animation here? Where's the heart rate? Dial, contact, sleep, sedentary. Again, let's see. Okay, let's look here. Okay, we have here the heart rate. It's on the bottom part. So a different animation here. Okay, different UI. Also blood pressure. Let's check. Okay, blood pressure. Oh, that's the music control. Blood pressure. Okay, so different UI here. Okay, but they almost have the same icons when it comes to design. Multiple menus. Seems like the sports here is already outside of the S9 Ultra, while for for the S8 Ultra, while for the S9 it is here categorized. Okay, so very limited for the S8 Ultra, while for the S9 we have a lot of sports here. Okay, we have weather, the same icon here. Okay, also music control, style. We have at least 5 menu styles here, and I think we have 6. We have 6. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. We also have 5. So the same. Okay, also support for Siri. You have breathing guide. You have Facebook, WhatsApp. There's no calculator, I think, for the S9 Ultra. Let's see here. Okay, so there's no calculator. Okay, but we have a screen time option here. Set time, backlight time for the S9 Ultra. Okay, so they almost have the same features. Okay, with minus force the S9 or plus, the same with the S8 Ultra. But when it comes to looks, there's a big difference here. 45mm, this one is 49mm. Okay, again, let's take a look at the design here. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.